Ditch the bulky card and finally digitize your Suica on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add your Suica card to Google Wallet, step by step. First, you need to make sure you have Google Wallet installed on your Android phone. It usually comes pre-installed, but if you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store. Just type Google Wallet in the search bar and tap Install. If you already have it, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Open the Google Wallet app. You should see an Add to Wallet button. Tap on it. Select Transit Card from the options. Scroll down until you find Suica. Tap on it. You'll be presented with two options: add a new card or transfer existing card. If you already have a physical Suica card, like most people do, select Transfer Existing Card. Now, you'll need to enter your Suica card details. This includes the Suica ID number, which is usually found on the back of your physical Suica card. Carefully type in the number. Make sure it's accurate. This number is usually a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check it before you proceed. You'll be presented with the terms and conditions. Read through them, and if you agree, tap the Agree button. Next, you'll need to place your physical Suica card against the back of your phone. Your phone will use NFC to read the information from your card. Make sure your phone supports NFC. Hold the card steady against the phone until the transfer is complete. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. You'll see a progress bar on your phone indicating the data transfer progress. Do not remove the card until the process is finished. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Your Suica card is now digitized and ready to use on your Android phone. Now you can easily tap your phone at train gates, convenience stores, and other locations that accept Suica payments. Enjoy the convenience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.